Hello everyone. Have you think how attackers find your internal servers? They don't guess. They can scan the internet and they can look for the open ports. Then it become the target. So in this case, within just 5 minutes, if you can see more than 350 login attempts, that's not a human behavior. It is an automated brute force attack. Means an external IP was trying again and again to log in into your internal server. Normally, these servers should not be exposed, but due to firewall misconfiguration, the SSH was open to the internet. So when we are checking the logs, the attacker was trying with the common names like root and admin. So this is clearly shows an dictionary attack where attackers try default usernames and password until something works. So once we identify this issue, we can immediately block the attacker IP, disable the SSH access and enable the MFA and apply the protections like account lockout and fail to ban. So this is how real attacks happen. Please follow this channel for more SOC real cases. Thank you so much.